Hi guys, this is Miss Pineda, your school counselor. Thank you Scholastic for allowing the reading of this book. Thank you to Elizabeth Verdick and Marika Heinlein. Words Are Not for Hurting, author Elizabeth Verdick and illustrator Marika Heinlein. Did you know it takes only 26 letters to make millions of words? Some words are super short. Hi, bye, no, yes. And some words are really long. Thingamajig, Mississippi, abracadabra. And some are just plain silly. Wiggly, giggly, cockadoodle-doo. Words help you say important things like, I love you. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome. Sometimes your words are loud. Ready or not, here I come. And sometimes your words are soft. Shh. Sometimes your words are funny. Knock, knock. Who's there? And sometimes you even sing them. La, 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 la. Your words belong to you. You choose what you say and how you say it. Your words can hurt or your words can help. These are helpful words. Let's work together. Do you want to share this with me? I'm glad we're friends. We can take turns. These are hurtful words. You can't play with us. Your clothes are ugly. You're stupid. Get out of here. Words are not for hurting. When you hear hurtful words, how do you feel? Maybe sad, mad, scared, mixed up, left out, or lots of other feelings too. When you say hurtful words, how do you feel? Maybe you feel sorry and wish you hadn't said them. There's something you can do. You can take them back like this. I shouldn't have said those things. I didn't mean it. Here are two other words you can say. I'm sorry. Those two little words can be a big help. When you hear hurtful words, what can you do? You can say, words are not for hurting. Please don't say those things. Or you can tell a grown-up, he's teasing me, can you help? Your words are important. If you think before you speak, you can use your words well. It takes only 26 letters to make millions of words. So you've got lots of words to choose from. You can tell this to yourself and to others. Words are not for hurting. It's a good reminder for everyone. After reading the book, create a heart like the one below using regular or construction paper and write me some helpful words. Words that make your hearts feel good. Take a picture and email them to me at jcpineda@laredoisd.org. Thank you. See you guys later.